Laura Handke, like Oswego's transformational voice teacher here today, and I'm on LinkedIn spotlighting people that I'm connected with here and celebrating how people are using their voices in the world. And today I want to talk about Barbara Hofmeister. Now, I haven't mentioned how much fun in a while that I have been having doing these spotlights, and I really hope the people that I'm spotlighting are enjoying them as well. Now, Barbara is the first person that I have spotlighted who's from Germany, and my last name, Handke, is a German name, so that's very cool. Also, Barbara and I have some very neat people in common, like Lisa Marie Platsky. Well, I think so highly of Lisa that she's actually the very first person that I've ever spotlighted, and I have been doing these for a few weeks now. And this is what Barbara has to say about herself. My greatest passion is to help women gain clarity on the goals that make their hearts sing and overcome whatever barriers they might have so they can move joyfully into the promising future that they deserve. With more than 25 years in coaching and training and over 40 in public speaking, I help women who expect more from life. Women who are willing to leave their comfort zones and be courageous enough to actually live their dreams. She also says that she is an Amazon best-selling author of the book, To Be or Not to Be, The Choice is Yours, plus the author of 1001 Inspirational Quotes, and she's the co-author of Choices and High Productivity. So that's Barbara Hofmeister, and again, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher. And if you want to get a free half-hour consultation to help you figure out any issues you may have with your voice, you can find me at laurahandke.com or right here on LinkedIn.